Photoshop 24.6, the beta version of Photoshop, comes with a great new feature, Generative Fill. How to access it? Just go over here and rectangular marquee tool and create a selection. Now you'll notice I've also got a transparent background. I created a document with a transparent background mainly because I don't want anything else to be included with the image that I create. And you can see this bar down the bottom. This is the contextual taskbar. To show that, go to Window and down here. Make certain this is on, and then you can click here. Sometimes it will just ignore, but most times if you click it, it should come and ask for prompt. Now I'm going to paste something in, because I've already just got it there, and you can see the text. Ornament, tile, antique, blue and green, etc. And generate. Now it doesn't take too long, it'll just process it, and hopefully it'll produce something that looks reasonable. I'm not always certain by the responses. Actually, sometimes it's great, sometimes not so good. And you can, of course, scroll through and you've got other options here. So you can go for that one or that one. I think that looks really nice. Really lovely tile. And now go over here to the properties and you can click Generate again if you want to. Maybe change the prompt. Also, you can generate some more variants by just doing Generate. Now, you don't have to use them, but it's nice to have maybe 5 or 6 different examples. Now, it's a pity that they haven't actually increased that to 10 or 15. But you can see maybe that one, that looks quite nice. But unfortunately, because the way it does it, you can see it doesn't exactly look like that. It's cropped. Not certain why, but that's the way it works. And you can see now you've got this generative layer. I don't want that as a generative layer anymore. So just go to Layer, and down here, and I could flatten it, but I want to go to rasterize and layer. So it's all turned back into a standard normal layer. You've still got a mask, you can still manipulate it as normal. I can move it around, and you can also see, of course, you've got this extended region around it. Quite odd. So filter, and down here to distort, and you can apply all kinds of distortions. I'm going to go with wave. Number of generators, I'm going with 1. Wavelength, just fairly low. Also amplitude, 148. Click OK. See, great, an unusual design like that. Now I'm going to use a selection, rectangle and marquee tool, and just select that. Now instead of applying this again, I could of course do that. I'm now going to go to Edit and Define Pattern. And click OK. And deselect. Because I don't want that anymore. What I want to now do is go to Edit and Fill. And I could, actually saying that, with the selection, I could select everything. So select all. Then you can see here, you've got this option, Fill Pattern. Does exactly the same as the Edit and Fill. You might find that faster, but Fill Pattern, select the pattern you've just created, and that's that one. And you've got scripts. Now I'm going to go with Random Fill. You've got obviously other ones as well you could use. Click OK. And you can see the design there. I'm now going for most of the maxes there, 1.9, push that up if you want. They don't push it too far. I think it actually starts becoming a bit sort of rough when you push it too much. And click OK. You notice what I've done? I've applied it just to the layer. Not something I wanted to do, but it does do that. So if you're using that layer, you think, oh, I can just apply it. It will be just added to that, which is not ideal. But what you need to do, layer and flatten image. Then go to Edit, or use this down here again, Fill Pattern, click OK, and OK. And now you've got your result, the result I wanted right at the start. You can then, of course, apply additional filters, or apply the fill again. Or go to Filter and Stylize, maybe use oil paint. Maybe set those to the max, and click OK. And of course you can use image adjustments, maybe vibrance, just to brighten it up a bit. Oil paint always seems to make it slightly duller, and click OK. And there you have it. Very quick design created using generative fills, using that to create a pattern design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.